Listen, because what you're about to hear might change the way you look at Lexus forever. When most people hear the word Lexus, they think of comfort, smooth rides, quiet luxury. Not racing, not aggression, and definitely not something that can go wheel to wheel with the most brutal GT cars on the planet. But that's exactly where people are wrong, because hidden behind that luxury badge is a machine that was built for war. Backhand index pointing right, the Lexus RC F GT3. This is not your daily driver. This is not your dealership car. This is a purpose-built, track-bred weapon, designed to survive the harshest endurance races in America. We're talking about IMSA racing, where cars don't just need speed. They need to last hours, under pressure, at the limit. And this monster? It was built to do exactly that. Now here's where things get insane. While most modern performance cars are chasing turbochargers, smaller engines, and artificial power, Lexus went the opposite direction. They said, forget the trend, and dropped in a naturally aspirated V8. No turbos. No shortcuts. Just pure mechanical power. A screaming 5.4-liter V8, derived from the legendary 2UR engine platform. This isn't just an engine, this is a statement. Over 500 horsepower, delivered instantly, with razor-sharp throttle response that turbo engines can't replicate. You press the throttle, and there's no delay, no waiting, just raw, immediate power. And on the track, that difference is everything. Because in racing, milliseconds matter. Now imagine this. You're entering a high-speed corner at over 120 mph. Braking late, pushing the limits of grip. You hit the apex, and the moment you go back on throttle, the RC F GT3 responds instantly. No lag, no hesitation, just pure acceleration, firing you out of the corner like a missile. That's the advantage of a naturally aspirated V8 in a world full of turbos. But power alone doesn't win races. Durability does. And this is where the RC F GT3 becomes terrifying. Because this engine was built to run at extreme stress, for hours, lap after lap. Heat, pressure, abuse, and it keeps going. While other cars start to struggle, this thing stays consistent. That's why teams trust it. That's why it competes at the highest level in the US. Now let's talk about the engineering. This isn't just a modified street car. This is a fully re-engineered machine. Lightweight chassis. Aerodynamic body designed in wind tunnels. Massive rear wing generating serious downforce. Everything about this car screams performance. And then comes the transmission. A 6-speed sequential gearbox. No traditional shifting. No comfort. Just fast, aggressive, race-style gear changes. Every shift hits hard. Every gear engages instantly. It's brutal. It's precise. It's built for speed. And inside the car? There's no luxury. No soft leather seats. No distractions. Just a stripped-out cockpit. A roll cage. And a driver focused on one thing. Winning. Now here's the part most people don't realize. This car isn't built for hype. It's built for results. And in the US racing scene, it has proven itself. Competing in IMSA's toughest classes. Against brands like Porsche, Ferrari, and BMW, the RC F GT3 holds its ground. Because it's not trying to be flashy. It's trying to be effective. And sometimes, that's even more dangerous. So next time someone tells you Lexus is just about comfort, remember this. Behind that calm luxury image is a machine that can push over 500 horsepower, survive endurance racing, and go head-to-head with the best performance cars in the world. This isn't just a Lexus. Backhand index pointing right, this is a race-bred V8 monster. And once you understand that, you'll never look at Lexus the same way again.